welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Shikha Singh. We have got all the major global cryptocurrency news from the past week for you in the show. But before we start, let's cut across to Manoj for the market check.
After nearly $2 trillion losses in the US stock markets, triggered by the Donald Trump's tariff war, Bitcoin has bounced back to $83,000 mark following a brief dip. The cryptocurrency saw a short-term recovery from $81,500 to over $83,000, gradually regaining bullish momentum. That's what the analysts have said. So what is the background? On April 2nd, President Trump imposed a range of tariffs, causing market instability and sparking divided opinions among the crypto analysts regarding their potential long-term impact on the cryptocurrency market. And experts have suggested that the Bitcoin drop from the peak of $88,500 on Thursday is a sign of increasing caution among the investors that is triggered by the Trump's tariff announcements. And the crypto market remains under pressure, mirroring broader economic uncertainty going forward.
Thank you, Manoj. The Nasdaq listed largest corporate holder of MicroStrategy in its latest announcement said the firm spent $1.92 billion to acquire 22,048 BTC at an average price of around $87,000 per Bitcoin.
Right, and Strategy's total stash has grown to 528,000 Bitcoins, currently valued at roughly $43.3 billion, given Bitcoin's price slide to $82,000 as of price time.
Right. Still, this puts Strategy at an unrealized profit worth almost $8 billion, given that the firm has spent $35.63 billion to accumulate this BTC fortune.
Moving on, Tether, the issuer of the USDT stablecoin, has expanded its Bitcoin holdings with a $735 million purchase made in the first quarter of 2025. This latest investment has positioned the company as the sixth largest Bitcoin holder globally.
According to data from Spot on-chain, Tether acquired 8,888 BTC, bringing its total reserves to 92,647 BTCs, valued at approximately $7.64 billion at current market prices. The stablecoin issuer unrealized profit on its holding is estimated at $3.86 billion.
Notably, the company remained committed to its accumulation strategy despite Bitcoin experiencing a 12% decline in Q1 2025, the flagship cryptocurrency's worst quarterly performance in 7 years.
Moving on, Tokyo-based firm Metaplanet has made yet another move in its crypto acquisition strategy by purchasing an additional 696 BTC through its Bitcoin income generation business.
Right, and the total value of this acquisition amounts to approximately $73.5 million, with an average purchase price of $105,000 per Bitcoin.
The company's total Bitcoin holdings now stand at 4,046 BTCs. This transaction, along with others made in recent months, highlighted Metaplanet's objective to expand its Bitcoin portfolio while maintaining a focus on improving shareholder value through strategic and cost-effective methods.
Moving on, in a filing with the SEC on April 1st, the video game retailer GameStop reported that it had completed a private offering of $1.5 billion in convertible senior notes due 2030, including the full exercise of the initial purchaser's option for an additional $200 million.
This suggests that part of the $1.48 billion in net proceeds from these convertible notes could be used to purchase BTCs.
And the offering is essentially a loan in which the company borrows money and promises to repay it by a specific date, the maturity date.
GameStop will join the ranks of Strategy, Tesla, and Metaplanet as a corporate Bitcoin investor.
Moving on, Jetking Infotrain Limited, a Mumbai-based IT education firm, announced plans on Wednesday to raise 6.6 crore amounting to $793,000 through a preferential share issue to expand its Bitcoin reserves and fund cryptocurrency-related initiatives, CFO Siddharth Bharwani confirmed.
The capital will be raised by issuing 428,622 equity shares at 154 rupees each, comprising a 10 rupees face value and 144 rupees premium to promoter groups and select non-promoters adhering to SEBI and Companies Act regulations.
And the proceeds will primarily fund Bitcoin purchases alongside general corporate needs and Bitcoin-focused education programs. And Jetking, which adopted a Bitcoin-only treasury policy in late 2024, already holds an estimated 14.77 Bitcoins worth $1.2 million as of December 31st, 2024.
Moving on, Circle Internet Group filed for a long-awaited initial public offering with the US Securities and Exchange Commission on April 1st. In its S-1 form, the company outlined plans to list its stock on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol CRCL.
And the firm, which issues the second largest stablecoin by market capitalization USDC, also posted steadily increasing revenue. Circle reported a net income of $156 million on revenue of $1.68 billion in 2024, compared with a net income of $268 million on $1.45 billion in revenue the previous year.
Moving on, Hut 8 Corporation has launched American Bitcoin Corporation, a majority-owned subsidiary designed to focus on industrial-scale Bitcoin mining and reserve development.
The move follows the crypto mining company's strategic decision to contribute nearly all of its ASIC miners to American Data Centers (INC) in return for a majority stake in the company.
The company, initially backed by investors like Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr., was later rebranded as American Bitcoin after the transaction.
Right, and the latest development comes after Eric Trump recently joined Metaplanet's strategic board of advisors.
Well, that's all in this episode of the Weekly Wrap. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off.
And this is me, Shikha Singh, signing off. For more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do log on to the website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code to know more.